Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guide. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create your own personal budget using Excel. Well, we'll begin by showing you some templates that are available already on Excel. So, if you go to Excel, go to more templates right here, click on it, and as you can see here, there are available trackers. So, you have your personal monthly budget, you have household monthly budget, and you even have bill paying checklist. So if you click on personal monthly budget right here, just click on create. Automatically, this helps you in creating your own personal monthly budget with formulas already. So for example, here, if your income is, let's say, $5,000, automatically that changes everything up. Let's say your additional income is around $100. Then again, it changes things up. All right. Now let's create our own personal budget out of a blank worksheet. So there are some important features, of course, when it comes to a personalized monthly budget. So first off, for this sheet, let's create a month. Let's say this is the month of January 2025, start of the year. And then widen up the cells here, or you can merge it depending on you. But let's widen that up. Let's give it a title here on top. Let's utilize this entire cell right here. Then let's merge. Then let's give it a title as a personal budget tracker. From here, just arrange the fonts based on your preference. That's too big right there. All right. And then add a little bit of color so that it doesn't look too bland. Let's use blue here, like that. And now, what's important for any budget trackers is, of course, you need to have your income written first. So let's just occupy the entire space like so. So here, let's merge these cells. One, two, three, four. Merge it. Then let's say this is our total. This is our income. And then here, we can utilize these two, merge. And then let's say we have three sources of income. So copy that, just paste it like so. And then here, let's also merge these two right here, copy, so that you won't keep on repeating the same process over and over again. It's best to just copy and paste it. So this one, let's say this is our main job, right? This one, this is our side hustle. Okay. And then this one, let's say this is our investments. Let's say you're an investor, you're starting out, and let's say you already made some money investing. Let's put this on the side right here. Remember to utilize the alignment to make it look pleasing. And of course, utilize these tools as well, the underline and the italics. So from here, let's say for our main job, let's say we are earning around $15,000 there. For a side hustle, let's say we earn around an extra $200. And then for our investment, since we're just starting out, let's say $100. So this is already our income right here. Now we want this totaled out as well so we can see it every month. So here, let's occupy this space again. Just merge it. Then here, merge it as well. And then from here, add in total. Total income. Just like that. Whoops. There we go. So now we have our total income right here. Let's change its color so that there's a clear indication that this is the total income right there. Then from here, we can add this three. So to create a formula, equal sign right there, this one, add this, and add again here. Enter. Sorry, we can just add this one. Inverse space. All right. Now that we have inputted all of our income here, just click on sum equals sum, and then add these right here, parentheses, and then that's it. Now, every time that you add something right here. So let's say $17,000. Your income increased in $17,000. Automatically, it would add it up as well. Now, another thing that we want to add, apart from income, of course, are monthly bills. This is the pain in the ass in the adulting life. So let's just add up here. Let's merge some cells here as well. Let's merge 5 cells. Yeah. Let's merge it up. Monthly bills, or just bills rather. Right here, bills, bold it up. And then what we want to do from here is merge and center these, copy and paste for the other cells, like so. And then this, merge again. Repeat the same process that we did earlier with the income. Just keep on merging until you get all the cells done. Then from here, what we want to do is to add on, of course, bills. So let's say here, electricity, water, let's say internet or cable. Let's say electricity costs us around $1,000, right? Or $2,000. Let's say water costs us 1,000. Then internet and cable, let's say it cost us around $1,000 as well. Then repeat the same process here. You can actually copy this if you'd like, but I'm going to show it to you again on how to do it. So again, total bills to pay from here. Add this to the side, align again, bold it up. Then for this two rows, final rows, add a color. If you don't want to add a color, that's totally fine, but definitely it would be helpful just to have an indicator right there, equal sign, sum. From there, just drag this, close the parentheses, enter, and that's your total bill. Now, another thing important in a personal budget, at least for me, are the weekly expenses. So for weekly expenses, let's add it here. Merge center again. Let's copy paste this so we can save, effort. Copy, paste, copy this, paste it, paste, paste. And then just remove this, copy, paste, 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 remove, remove, remove. That's it. Now for this one, let's say weekly budget, right? We have here our weekly budget. So from here, just hold it up again. Then here, let's say what we consider in a weekly budget, let's say food. Food is essential. And let's say here, transportation. And now from here, this is our weekly budget. So let's say for food, we spend around, let's say, $1,000 for food. And then for transportation, let's say we spend around, let's give it just $500 for transportation. From here, we now have our total weekly budget. So this is our total weekly budget. Again, just click on equal sign sum, add these two along, sum, enter. That's our weekly budget. From here, just click on this. Then let's say this is green right there. So that's our weekly budget. Now, another thing to consider is our wants. So that's another thing that we need to think about. The wants section. So if we were to add a section here, let's say these are our wants. Wants. So let's say here, again, merge, copy, paste, paste. Then here, let's just paste this. So let's say for our wants, we have two things that we want. Let's say clothing, new clothes, and then let's say gadget, new technology. And now we have our total wants. So just keep on adding as many tiles, as many blocks, as many sections that you'd like, depending on what are the things you spend on, what are the things that you want to include, and everything. You can be as detailed as you can. You can just keep on repeating this if you'd like. But definitely, this is just a basic formula, a basic step on how to do it. Just add on this again, right here, copy, paste, then here, equal sign sum, then add this here again. Oops, equal sign sum, add this here. Don't forget the parentheses, add it here, then that's your total wants. Now for the fun part. Of course, this is a budget tracker, so what every budget tracker needs is a savings, right? So for the savings part, you can add that here next to income. Here we can have our savings. There. This or rather, we can call this as our monthly expenditures, or let's just call it as a monthly budget monitor. There we go. And now from here, we can include two things right here. Let's merge this and then copy and paste it at the bottom right there. And now let's include it. Let's merge these right here as well. These blocks or cells as well. Now here we can have savings, total expenses, and here we can have total savings. There we go. Put this on the side right here. And now for the fun part. For the total expenses, we can say equals sum, add, add these styles right here, plus here, plus this one. So these are everything, right, that we spent money on. So we just add that. So that's our total expenses. Now for total savings, equal sign sum, and then from here, just add the income. Oh, sorry about that. Sum, parentheses, income, and then this one. Oh, for this one, rather, we will be using the minus. So we'll be using this one right here, minus C14 for our expenses. Automatically, that should work. And there you have it. These are our total savings and our total expenses. So if we add up here, if we click on adding up here, let's say side hustle has increased for this month, let's say 500, that changes it as well. Let's say for our total bills, we have rent to pay, and let's just say increase electricity increased by $1,000, it'll change as well. And of course, if you don't like it to be this messy, you can always click on the sheets or the tiles or the cells. And then what you can do is add up some border lines here as well. So all borders, just like that, just to keep things organized and so your eyes won't hurt whenever you look at it. And that's about it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and of course the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.